Well, it's a beautiful morning on Sifford Farm. It's April, and I just thought I'd take you on a little tour of our new goat kids. This is Nellie, and she had triplets, in late March. And there are 2 boys and 1 girl. The darker colored one is a boy, and then one of the white ones is a girl. Thank the Lord, they're doing very well. They actually have adopted Lucy here as kind of the Auntie Lucy. Sadly, she miscarried her kids about 6 weeks before she was due, and so she's not going to have any kids this season, but she seems to have adopted them too. So they have a mommy and an aunt, a good aunt. Okay, and you won't scare me, pee. Hannah there in the middle is due, I think, in June, so she's a ways off, we believe, but we've been surprised before. Here's Annie. She just had triplets a few days ago. I think they're over in this shed. Yeah, there they are. So the one on the right is Tammy's little boy. She had a single kid, Buckling, and I'm tempted to call him Riley because he sure has the life of Riley. He gets milk whenever he wants, and he sleeps whenever he wants. And then there she is. Tammy's a good mommy. She's checking on him all the time. And then these 3 are Annie's triplets. Again, we have 2 boys and a girl, and the little girl's on the left. The brownish coloring, and everybody's doing fine. Thank the Lord. Hannah, you're going to bring up the rear, aren't you? And there's Annie with her new triplets, that I just talked about. It's so funny because these triplets are just love to hang out with Auntie Lucy. They must, I don't know, the coloring is familiar to them, or just it's really neat how they've kind of taken to her, and she doesn't have kids. So the one we're waiting on right now is Adeline. She's due, I think, tomorrow, but the others have been early, but I think, but look at her udder. It's just utterly, we don't know what. We're trying to figure out a way to hoist her udder up so her kids can suckle on the teat. Right now they won't be able to, and so, or I may have to milk her out before she gives birth, and then feed the colostrum to the kids through a bottle until her udder is light enough where it comes off the ground and they can get to the teats easily. Poor Adeline. Anyway, it's just a gorgeous morning, and we're very thankful. One last note, we had Marie, one of our goats. She died in labor a week and a half ago or so. She had triplets just tangled up inside of her, and it was kind of a perfect storm of events that we lost her to toxicity, and the kids died in her womb, and the vet, we got her to the vet too late, and it was just a really big lesson learned, but we're thankful that she didn't suffer long. So anyway, the Lord gives and the Lord takes away. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Have a blessed day. I love watching kids chew their cud so fast. Oops. Okay, today is graduation day for our little doeling Stacia. I've been bottle feeding her for the last 7 or 8 weeks, and she knows the drill. She knows I'm coming with food. She's become a little bit of a diva. Let me put the bucket down here. She knows the drill. She's gonna, as soon as I pull these up, she's gonna try and yep. Alright, no, there's no food yet. Oops, I forgot the food. Okay. Hold on. Come down here. she's become a champ at guzzling down the milk bottle. You're supposed to, I think it's about 2.5 times birth weight is when they're ready to be weaned, and she is plenty ready to be weaned. So this is her last bottle. She's done great, thank the Lord. And I'm going to be milking her mom right over there. I've been milking her because her udder was way too big, was dragging on the ground, and then she injured one of her teeth, and so I've had to milk out one side of her udder for the last several weeks. So then I just feed the milk back to Daisha here. She's almost done. Spoon, spoon, spoon. All right, now she thinks there's food in that bucket, but. All right, I gotta go get food so I can milk her mama. All right, Daisha. Da, 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 da. You're graduated. Congratulations. You are officially weaned. Yee-hee.
All right, so it's graduation day today. Time to move on. This is the kid crop of this year. Looks like Daddy. I assume it's the white daddy, Shakespeare. That was really? Hi. Yep, time to say goodbye to your mommies and call it a time here. There they are there. We had sadly we had some issues. This mommy lost her kids probably 6 weeks early, so they kind of aborted. And then we lost one of our does in kid birth, and 3 kids with that too. And this guy brought up the rear. He was recently born, so very, very, very friendly. But you can see he's a lot different in size. So he's only a couple weeks old. That's his mommy there. Anyway, here we are, ready for the little roundup here, the final roundup for their final destination. Thank the Lord for the gift of these goats, and maybe we'll film some of the roundup here like we often do.
Okay, here we go. We're just about ready to round up the 2019 kid crop go to their nice new owner's place. There's the one that we bottle fed. Bye. Ones. We have 8 more.
Probably gonna need the fuse.
Oh yeah, okay. They put some food down there, so it's starting to go in. All right. Two. They're fast. 3. Almost. 3. Yeah. That one's going to be hard to get. 4. Bye, Evie. Oh, okay. Yeah, and I can stand here. Did Hannah's get out, or?
He's underneath the camp.
Oh, okay. Oh! He wanted to be a stowaway. No, you have to stay here. Oh, no. That was a girly scream. This one, I guess you'll wait, but that one's not easy to get, so FYI. We've gotten big.
Nearly home.
Alright. Good job, honey. That was one of the ones that was first born, so they're like 3 months old. I think Annie is his mommy. Yeah, there you go.
You got it, Court.
Good job. That's one of Nellie's crying for her.
Hi, little hawk.
I think that's it. Thank the Lord. Hi, guys. Hi, Daisha. This is the one I bottle fed. You'll like him, and that's the sister. You can tell their daddies. One of their daddies is all white. Got a lot of white ones this year. Okay. May God bless and keep you guys. Bless you to your new owner's homestead. May He keep you safe and healthy according to His will. Bye. All right. There's no sunset for him to drive into, but there they go. 2019 kid crop. We're very thankful. They all did great. They all survived. We did lose 3 kids in labor and a mama, and we lost 2 kids to premature birth, but the others all did great. Thank the Lord. We're very thankful for God's provision. Whatever He grants, we're very thankful for. And, oh, Nellie's crying for her babies. And then she gets distracted by food. All right, you guys. You did great. Good mommies, all. All right. Lord willing, next year, next November, we'll start all again. And Hannah gets to keep her little boy until he's weaned. So he's going to be by himself. He's going to miss his buddies. Now the cows want to get in on it. All right. Praise the Lord. Aw. They'll be in good hands, you guys. All right. All right. Thanks the Lord.